letting out the chickens. It's about time for that. So we got 16 eggs today, which is pretty good. So I'll have to take those inside and wash them then. So we're in the barn right now. Ollie says hi, it's right there. And it's not very windy in here, but outside it's super windy, so I'm just gonna give it a throw, see where it goes. Probably could have been expecting that. But I'm gonna try it from up here real quick. Hopefully it does something different maybe. Whoa. Gotta go get it before it goes away. Try throwing it from up there, so we're good. It just won't fly. Quite a bit of turbulence, that's for sure. So now I'm just gonna take some video of driving the four-wheeler, because that's always pretty cool. So since earlier I showed you how we let out the chickens, I'm gonna show you how we put in the chickens. It's pretty easy because usually they all already go in here, and then all we usually have to do is close the door and put down this little latch, and then that's all it is. Oh, I just finished feeding the cows, and I'm gonna give them an extra serving of meal, which is this stuff right here. So instead of doing 1 scoop to every 2 cows like I normally do, I'm going to be doing 1 scoop to every 5 cows. This is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you.